Hello and Nyob Zoo to each and every one of you. Today's video is going to be very exciting because we are going over to my grandma's house so that she can show us how to make pickled mustard greens. In the Hmong Leeg dialect, we like to call pickled mustard greens Zaub Qaub, and Zaub refers to as greens and Qaub means sour, it can mean fermented, it can mean pickled. And what's more traditional and authentic than to go and have my grandma show us how she makes pickled greens. So I really wanted to show you how she makes it because I think a lot of Hmong people in general have a really good memory of eating pickled greens made by their grandma, and I just think that it's something very special, and I really wanted to show all of you her style and her way of making it. This version is a very simple version. I do also have a different video of my mom showing me her style as well, so there's different styles of making pickled greens, but today again I really wanted to show you my grandma's version of it. But for those who aren't familiar with Hmong food and Hmong culture in general, pickled greens, it's typically eaten as a side dish along to pair it with either rice and grilled meat. It can also just be eaten with rice. It's also a really great palate cleanser as well. It's really easy to make as long as you have all the equipments and patience to do so. But before we get started, let's go ahead and go over to my grandma's house and pick some fresh mustard greens from her garden, and we'll show you how to make Zaub Qaub. Let's go. I'm so excited. Hi boo. No có cà phê ô chiò.
No, có khát có ô rau.
Zaub Qaub à?
Khát có ô rau có.
Full style Zaub Qaub.
Ô rau có chỉ mò con trai đây.
So these are all of my grandma's mustard greens that she's been growing. We're going to pick all of it so that we can go ahead and pickle it all. In the Hmong culture, usually Zaub Qaub is made with mustard greens, but you can definitely use Napa cabbage, you can use cabbage, any other greens that you find that'd be great for pickling, definitely go for it. But if you do go to your local Asian grocery store, they will have a variety of different mustard greens that you can definitely buy and use to make this recipe. But let's take a moment to enjoy my grandma's beautiful, luscious, mustard green little corner garden.
Ta chơi lụt tay có tốn bị ta đó.
Hú chờ rau nó có hú rau bà.
Rau chó. Nó rau rong càng chứ.
Đó cứ hai lấy.
Lo sọt lẹ.
Lụt ta.
Rau càng chứ lụt ta.
My grandma has a green thumb for gardening. Everything always grows so beautifully, and I'm always in awe and also very jealous.
Lại nó lụt cả hả?
Tao lắc.
Cho một rau có đâu.
Cho một Zaub Qaub.
Cho một
Cháu này.
rau hú lại mà ô cá. Cho một rau đi. Ô rau có sẽ. Lên đầu cơ hậu.
For the thicker stems of the mustard greens, my grandma likes to use a pestle and just pound it so that it's easier to be salted later. After the greens are nice and washed and the stems are nice and pounded, grandma's just generously sprinkling the greens with some salt. And she's just using regular iodine salt if you were curious. And don't worry about over salting it because we are going to rinse it later. So have you ever seen the process of making kimchi and how they salt the Napa cabbage? It's pretty much the same process. Once the greens are nicely seasoned with salt, my grandma likes to give it a really good massage so that the greens becomes nice and tender and wilted and most of the water are being drawn out of the greens. Now don't worry about over salting the greens because we are going to rinse it after they become nice and wilted.
Tôi rau này rau câu này. Mà cột rau này rau câu thế. Để mới giờ. Để mới giờ cô. Cái anh chị nó màu trà thì. Để mà màu. Rau nọ lô thì để mà màu. Cái khá xuống gợp mà chuột. Để mấy con chị mà chuột hạt thì chả hóa sức.
After massaging it for a good couple of minutes, this is what they should look like. At this point, my grandma is going to rinse off the greens to get rid of the excess salt. Andre.
Hả?
Andre.
Chắc chắn được rồi.
Como yo con Andre. Andre como leo con to chang.
Ya, mà on te ko, mà là on te ko ni to chang.
Drain and squeeze out as much water as you can from the mustard greens and place it into a bowl. So once that's done, my grandma is going to season it with some sugar. Give it a really good massage so that the sugar is nice and coated into the greens.
Oh, come on. Not so don't you come on. Not what so come on.
Sorry. And then my grandma's gonna add some salt just to season. So it looks like she added about 1.5 tablespoons of salt just to season. So I would suggest starting a little bit less and then season it as you go. So taste as you go. Come on, Jake, cansa.
No te manches con casa.
Cho gió non gì đó.
nó mà rau chỉ có mò.
Chẳng một cái gì nữa.
Cho rau chỗ nó gì mò nữa. Mà có tay luôn tí đâu.
Ta nồi đó này.
Nó để cha nó để cho mà cho để khó số ra để nó có nữa sao?
Có cho để vào cha.
Cho có sẽ cho rau nó chắc làm để có sự cao để nó xem.
Ok.
Để có nó để có sản nó sẽ hợp tác để có mà mong hợp tác sẽ rồi sao?
So store it in a really good airtight container.
Puto mau polo lagi. Nó sẽ lại chân được khó chung để số để con nó sẽ
Ta nồi bụng.
nhé nó
Alright.
cứ mà có chút ở đây hả?
Yeah. Dùng gì cơ ha?
Ở đây thì nó sẽ trở lại thì nó chỉ là cái cá cho thì mò có tốt sáng thì mò tốt sáng thì mò cái gỡ mò cho thì mò để mò cho cột cá thì vô ra hết rồi. Cho một con nó sẽ có cắt.
Lẹ cá. Cái nhà nó cho con chú chỉ là bự. Cái nhà nó cho cá. Gì?
Nó dùng là chị. Cô này tao rõ có thì nó rõ có sẽ.
Nó cho con cho món rồi ạ.
Hà món gì thì nó rõ con chủ sẽ. Có cho một cái sẽ cho rót lát lăng là thì phá nó vậy.
My grandma says to keep this in a dark corner of your kitchen and let it ferment for at least 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, this is what it looks like. It's a lot more yellow and reduced in size. So to check if it has fermented nicely, go ahead and open it, give it a good taste, and if it's to your level of acidity and sourness, then it is ready to go. So some of you might be curious, how do these mustard greens get fermented and sour? So this process of fermentation is called lacto fermentation, which is a salt-based vegetable fermentation. And a lot of vegetables do contain lactic acid bacteria, and lactic acid bacteria is the good bacteria which helps support your gut system. So in this case of fermentation, because we put so much salt and a little bit of sugar to it, creates a really good environment for lactic acid bacteria to thrive and also for harmful bacteria to die. So lactic acid bacteria thrive in really salty and acidic environment, which cause the mustard greens to give it that really nice sour and fermentation taste to it. So once the mustard greens are nice and pickled and fermented, you can definitely store this in the fridge and have it handy whenever you want or feel like eating a side of mustard greens. But I'll show you how my family likes to eat it. In a bowl, we're going to add just as much as you want, just about 2 cups of the mustard greens here. And use the scissors to cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add in some fresh chopped cilantro, some dried chili flakes for some spice, and some fish sauce to taste. Give that a really good mix. Go ahead and taste it for seasoning, and then it is ready to be served. So my grandma likes to enjoy Zaub Qaub with a side of rice or rice and water. But you can also enjoy this with a side of rice and any type of grilled meat. Here I have some crispy pork belly that I cooked up. And the pickled greens on the side. And of course, you gotta have some house-made Hmong style pepper dip on the side as well. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoy this video and give this one a try. It's truly a special one. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Cô nhau của thay bếp cua shay. Cô nhau bếp thay clo.